Hello, first graders. Today for your Wonders Read Workbook, you will be completing pages 129 and 130. The directions for page 129 says, words in a song or poem sometimes rhyme. Words that rhyme have the same ending sound. Say the words in each column to hear the rhyme. The first column reads, clap, slap, flap. And if you notice, they've underlined the A and the P to show that each of these words has the same ending sound, so they rhyme. You'll need to read the middle column and the last column, and then the directions say to say the words. Cross out the word that does not rhyme, and then you'll write a new rhyming word. You'll come up with your own rhyming word for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. For page 130, the directions are to reread Little Fred and Little Book, and that's the short story that you tore out on Wednesday. Think about how the author used cause and effect. Use the words and pictures to answer the questions. 1. What clue does the author give about the cause of Little Fred's going to Gran's? So why did Little Fred go to Gran's? What caused him to do that? Number 2, what clue does the author give about the cause of Little Fred getting lost? So what happened? Why did Little Fred get lost? 3, what is the effect of finding Little Buck? What happened when Little Buck was found? 4, Little Fred, Little Buck, and Gran have fudge. Is this a cause or an effect?